Other methods of collecting data. Some data is not easily collected by survey. Other methods of data collection are required when this is the case. Consideration of these methods should be taken during the design and develop step in the problem-solving process. In addition to surveys, these methods include measuring tools. Suppose you wish to measure the relationship between the arm length and height of an individual. A tape measure would be a method of gathering data. Scientific probes. Suppose you wish to measure the magnitude of a very large vibration. A seismometer would be an effective scientific probe to use for gathering your data. And the internet. Suppose you wish to investigate the population density of the provinces of Canada. The internet would be an effective place to research and gather data. We can collect data actively, or we can use data that has already been collected. The first two tools and surveys are examples of actively collecting data. However, the internet is a large depository of data, and there are many useful sites such as Statistics Canada that carry out surveys in a non-biased and proper format of sampling that represent an entire group. These are often excellent places to go out and take a look for your data.